Well, I was born down in Dixie, among the cypress trees. And Daddy was a driller and a wild hog killer, and Mama, she was Cherokee. I was the second one, their youngest little son of the South. They brought me up right, taught me to love and when to fight and how to tough it out. And I learned how to pray back in Sunday school. And God bless the souls on Holly Ridge Road. You know they done all they could do. But a line walking saint is one thing I ain't. I'm just your everyday good old boy. But I ain't too proud to hit my knees when I need some peace and pray to the Lord. That's who I am. That's the way I was raised. Every lesson learned and bridge I burned made me the man I am today. My feet are planted firmly on the ground, but I'm reaching for the stars. 'Cause my folks and my home, the road, and these songs are all a part of who I am. I'm a walking contradiction. I'm right and I'm wrong. I'm somewhere between a Sunday morning sermon and a good old drinking song. Full of anger and joy, still just a boy, but I'm a full-grown man. And I'm out on the road singing my country gold with a rowdy rock and roll band. That's who I am. That's the way I was raised. Every lesson learned and bridge I burned made me the man I am.